Daryl Seahorn on KGRO AM radio out of Pampa.
And this is a very dangerous storm. This is a dangerous storm. Take cover at this time. Take cover at this time. This is a dangerous tornado. All of the Pampa area should be everyone at the studio should be under cover.
It appears to be on the ground. I see lots of debris. Looks like it's north of the
tornado warning for Pampa. We have a large tornado.
Okay, it is on Price Road. I'm here at the Clarny. It is on Price Road on the ground.
Go ahead. Okay, the one they're talking about, I am just a short ways away. It is definitely on the ground. Was moving north, and now looks like it's moving a little bit east at this time.
Okay, it's just right now at Craw Products, headed in towards Pampa. At Craw Products, just hit it.
And it's going to catch most of the debris, large debris flying in the air.
Under emergency broadcast conditions.
About a mile west, it's going to get bigger all the time.
Okay, it's here at Craw Products, right here at Price Road.
Careful. We need to clear this airspeed of people. I don't know this, so I'm going to shut this down coming into Pampa. Coming into Pampa. Approaching Price now on 60. Laying on the ground.
Hello. Hello. Yes. Guys said sell it to Danny's house. The tornado's right here at Craw Products. I'm right here with them, 100 yards from it.
Media
Where you
and
at?
Storm Spotter Group. For many chasers, this day was a big success. Years of experience, forecasting and tracking severe weather, and their undying love for storms led them to the Texas Panhandle to witness an unforgettable event unfold before them.
Okay, Shelly, it is a half a mile west of Price Road at this time.
Back in town, large debris falls.
Okay, it comes across right down the intersection of Mount Coffin and Price Road. That one Price Road is going to be a little bit north. It's going into the city at this time.
North.
We need all y'all to head this way. 448, 5404 on the west side of Miami, kill 3 your way. Okay, just be careful. We got one just cross road that's going into town right now. We got another coming down. I can see it coming down.